Here we have an algebra expression, and there are three terms in here. And terms are everything that are separated by a plus or a minus. I really should add that over here. And when we're working with algebra expressions, it's good to understand the names of each of the parts that are inside here. So we'll start off with a coefficient, and a coefficient is a number that's in front of a letter and it includes the sign. So the coefficients here, the only two numbers that are in front of a letter are -7 and +4. We have to keep the sign because a -7 is a completely different number than a +7, and they're 14 spaces apart on a number line. So moving on to a constant, well, a constant is a number that is not in front of a variable, and it also includes the sign. So this constant for this expression is -8. Variables are represented by a letter, and we don't know what the letter is, and any number can be substituted in here. So the variables for here are x and y. The next that we have is a base. So the base over here is x, and the exponent that goes with it is a 5. The base over here is a y, and the exponent that goes with it is a 4. Now, if we want to get technical, we can say that the -8 is a base, and we can say that it has an exponent of 1, even though it's not written there. Anytime you have any number, there's a 1 for an exponent there. So I'll add that over here, that -8 is a base. And I can also say that this has an exponent of 1, but we're getting really technical with that. And then the last thing are terms, and terms are everything that are separated by a plus or a minus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle an orange. I'm going to circle this here. That is a term. The sign stays with the term. This is a term. That one's positive. And the -8, which is off by itself over here, is also separated by a comma, and it is also a term. So if I'm going to list my terms, I have -7x to the 5th, comma. Then I have +4y to the 4th is a term. And then I have -8 as a term.